Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Today, we're exploring one of the most transformative technologies of our time, generative AI. As Abid Rahman, SVP of Innovation at Eversana, powerfully states, Gen AI is not optional. Every industry and every company should be looking at Gen AI. If they don't, they're going to fall behind. It's really as simple as that. Generative AI represents a technological revolution that will reshape our economy in the coming years. Goldman Sachs forecasts a staggering $7 trillion increase in global GDP and a 1.5 percentage point boost in productivity growth over the next decade. This technology will impact 2/3 of jobs in the US and EU, creating both disruption and opportunity. The question isn't whether to adopt generative AI, but how to implement it effectively to maximize ROI while ensuring security and responsible use. Section 2. Survey Highlights. Harvard Business Review's global survey of 257 executives reveals both optimism and concern about generative AI adoption. 83% believe businesses will be left behind. 81% say AI will transform their industry. 60% consider AI a priority. 48% feel ready to adopt. While 60% of organizations see generative AI as a priority, only 48% feel prepared to adopt it. This readiness gap represents both a challenge and an opportunity for forward-thinking companies. The overwhelming consensus is clear. Businesses that fail to embrace generative AI risk being left behind as this technology reshapes industries and redefines competitive landscapes. Section 3. Barriers to adoption. 56% of respondents cite potential risks as the primary barrier to generative AI adoption. These concerns fall into 4 key areas: ethical and legal concerns, ensuring compliance with regulations and ethical guidelines. Cybersecurity. Risks, protecting sensitive data and systems from vulnerabilities. Customer impact, managing how AI implementation affects customer experience and trust. Implementation. Risks, navigating the technical challenges of deployment. As Eduardo Conte, CTO of Restworld, notes, I don't see Gen AI as risky in itself. It's only risky if you don't understand it. Thibault Mandeboisier from Canva emphasizes their approach. We are building layers upon layers of security around our AI systems. Safety is a very important issue. Section 4. Preparedness efforts. Leading organizations are addressing the readiness gap through strategic initiatives. 53% are improving data and technology infrastructure. 3% are developing guidance and governance frameworks. 35% are adjusting processes and methods. 33% are developing change management strategies. Eversana's approach demonstrates the importance of change management. As Abid Rahman explains, we realized early on that we had to embrace Gen AI in the right way, which means a focus on guidelines and training. Within weeks, people got so much better at using Gen AI tools. Restworld took a collaborative approach. We held workshops to demystify AI concepts. It was very important to get all people involved to understand their part. Section 5. Implementation strategies. Successful generative AI implementation requires a strategic approach with 4 key pillars: build versus buy decisions. Organizations must choose between building custom models or leveraging existing solutions based on their specific needs and capabilities. Prompt engineering. Developing expertise in crafting effective prompts to maximize AI output quality and relevance. Custom solutions. Tailoring AI applications to address specific business challenges and opportunities. Change management. As Ruba Borno from AWS emphasizes, the human factor plays a crucial role. Organizations must address skills gaps and foster a culture of innovation. Eduardo Conte from Restworld highlights a critical insight. To extract the biggest possible value, you need to fuel Gen AI with your proprietary data. The journey requires balancing innovation with responsibility. As we conclude, remember, that generative AI isn't just about technology, it's about transforming how we create value while navigating risks with thoughtful strategy and strong governance. Section 6. Closing Remarks. In closing, generative AI presents one of the most significant business opportunities of our generation. Organizations that successfully navigate this transformation will be those that approach adoption with strategic clarity. 2. Invest in both technology and human capabilities. Develop robust governance frameworks. Foster a culture of responsible innovation, as Ruba Borno from AWS states. Embracing change is critical. Now is the time to extract value from Gen AI and scale it to be truly functional, or else face the prospect of losing ground. The future belongs to organizations that can harness generative AI to enhance productivity, drive innovation, and create exceptional customer experiences while managing risks responsibly. Thank you for your attention. Let's move forward together to realize the generative AI